Carpe Jesus when hunting down in Bosque County, Texas. I was set up between two fields, one that was in cultivation, this one that's been plowed under, when I spied these hogs, headed in the direction of the cultivated field. As I didn't have a good view of them initially, I moved forward, trying to get a better view. They're actually down in a low spot. I'm actually looking downhill at the hogs, and there's a creek bottom behind them. Finally get set up, I've got a good view of the hogs, and I notice the hogs are looking back at me. So at this point, I don't think I'm going to be able to move any farther forward without spooking the hogs. So I try to calm down, catch my breath, and set up to take my first shot. Not down after a shot to the head, I shoot it again, and hit it a third time, and I figure it's lost in the woods. I pan back, and another hog didn't get the message. I put a shot into it, and it takes off into the woods, and that hog is not recovered. I pan back, and much to my surprise, there's my wounded hog. I put more shots into him, and he finally goes down. This hog turned out to be a 210-pound boar with one shot to the face, 2 shots to the right side, and 4 that went into the rump and back. In Carpe Canis, about an hour later, spied this coyote coming across the plowed field. Got situated on my sticks, trying to get him steadied up here in the soft soil. Finally got him steady, and the coyote starts to move on me, so I lip squeak to it. And it goes right down with the first shot. This turned out to be a female coyote, pretty good size, and the exit wound on the right side was quite impressive.
Optics provided by Third Coast Thermal.
Carpe Jesus, my friends.